Okay, we continue the project investment appraisal. Now for payback period method. Payback period is a period of time it takes for a company to recover its initial investment. So kalau dia punya modal tu berapa lama dia akan dapat modal dia balik ataupun initial investment dia semula. The method measures in the time required for the project cash flow to equalize the initial investment. Berapa keuntungan dia dapat untuk dia dapat balik modal yang ataupun investment yang dah dia keluarkan. Okay, if below is less than predetermined cut-off period, so accept the project. But if is more than the predetermined cut-off period atau lebih panjang, so reject the project. Okay, example. Mr. Cornetto considering investment an ice cream van that will cost 12,000 ringgit and last for 4 years. Estimated annual cash flow are cash inflows 20,000, cash flow they purchase 5,000, wages 9,000, expenses 2,000. So this one is about 16,000. So net cash flow there 4,000. So calculate the payback period in years using the formula initial capital investment bagi dengan annual net cash flow. So initial capital investment dia 12,000 bagi dengan annual net cash flow 4,000. So this one the payback period dia exactly 3 years. We have unable to use this formula because Mr. Cornetto expect the net cash flow to be the same every year over the life of the project. But we can't use this if the project annual cash flow are expected to be different. Ni dia anggap 4,000 tu tiap tahun dapat, tapi belum tentu dapat lah biasanya. So the alternative project investment of pasta van that will cost 12,000 and last 4 years. Because takeaway pasta may take some time to catch on, the annual cash flow is expected to be RM2,000 in the first year, rising to RM3,000 in the second year, then RM5,000 in the third year, and 6,000 in the fourth year. So required using pro forma, calculate the payback period in years and month of the pasta van project. So kita akan jadi macam ni lah. 12,000 dia punya investment, and then net cash flow dia dapat 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 6,000 in the month, in the year 1 to 4. So we calculate what is the cumulative net cash flow, dan kita boleh dapat payback period berapa. So the cumulative net cash flow dia ialah 12,000 minus 2,000, 10,000, then 12,000 minus 5,000, tinggal 7,000, and then minus 10,000 here, tinggal 2,000, and the fourth year minus 6,000, so dia akan dapat untung 4,000 at the fourth year. So meaning to say before 3 years, after 3 years dia dah dapat balik dia punya investment, initial investment, and also ada untung sikit. So the payback period is somewhere between 3 to 4 years, where cumulative net cash flow changes from deficit to surplus. So 3 years plus deficit 2,000 bagi dengan deficit plus surplus 4,000. So dia akan dapat 0.33. So in this case 3.33 tahun. So maknanya 3 tahun 4 bulan. So Mr. Cornetto should choose the ice cream van project as it takes only 3 years to pay back the initial investment. Okay, ini satu lagi. Consider a company following mature and exclusive investment of production facilities, new production estimated useful life for 4 years. Production dia. Tapi dia punya cash inflow and outflow are listed as follows. So ini initial investment. Tapi project A, cash flow dia 700,000 first year, 100,000 second year, 100,000 third year, and 1.3 million in fourth year. Tapi kalau dia ambil project B, cash flow dia berbeza, 600,000, 400,000, 400,000 and 100,000. So if you see here, daripada sini, in 3 years dia akan sudah dapat initial investment. But in project B, for 2 years saja dia dah dapat initial investment. So better takes project B is better because 2 years to recover the initial investment. So the shortest payback period, the company will accept project B. Okay, advantage of payback period: easy to adopt and facilitate further evaluation. After obtaining the acceptable payback period, the project will be evaluated by another financial capital budgeting techniques. So ignore the cash flow after payback period. Kita kira and adopt the arbitrary standard for payback period. Ignore the timing of cash flow. Bila masuk tu kita tak berapa tengok lah. Tapi kalau biasanya orang akan minta balik dia punya final initial investment dalam bawah 3 tahun lah. Discounted payback period. The payback period method is criticized for ignoring the timing cash flow. Therefore, discounted cash flow are used to calculate the discounted payback period.